Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to download movies on Disney Plus. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to download movies on Disney Plus, then you need to simply go to Disney Plus. So once you're in your Disney Plus, you need to simply get logged into your account. So once you're logged into your account, you should make sure that you are logged into your app. This feature is not available on desktop and web browser. So first of all, you need to locate the movies you want to download. Once you've located the movie, you can simply get the download option right over there. You can simply tap on the download option, and once you simply tap on these download option, your movie will be automatically downloaded on your device. The icon will turn into a progress circle and then a check mark or mobile icon when finished. So you can go to the download tabs at the bottom of the screen to watch without internet. So this way you can simply download movies on Disney Plus. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.